We just found out that my brother died. I didn't know. It used to be mine. So anyway, we're leaving Tulsa and we're going towards Muskogee. And all of a sudden, there's a storm coming from the left and the right behind us. And we see the left of the road. I pull into the car wash. Hold on, let me just take a second. I pull into the bank. I even have the brakes over.